Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Delhi Tarot, and these are your next 3 month reading for the Sun, Moon and the rising sign of Libra. Libra, please keep in mind that this is your group general reading. You know very well, for any personal private reading, my email ID, my website is mentioned in the description box below. And if you really like what I do on the channel, please do like, subscribe the channel and put on the notifications. Now this is a reading for July, August and September. But once I'm done with the next 3 months reading, the short readings, I will definitely do the detailed reading for the month of July post completing these 3 months reading. So let us see what messages do we have in the month of July, and this is for August and this is for September. And yes, I'm also going to do your tarot card reading for this particular month, and also the advice card for each month. Now let us see what is the energy in the month of July. You have the card of Angel of Balance. Keeping balance in every aspect of your life is going to be very, very important. I'm sensing that you will go out of promotion, I'm saying out of, proportion when you're talking about becoming over emotional over something or over unrealistic over something. You need to have a very realistic target, realistic goal. And Libra, I also feel at this point of time that you need to maintain your calmness and your peace in the month of July. There is a huge possibility that you might lose your temper over certain things into your life. And your angel message for this particular period is romance. Yes, there is a spark in your love life, in your personal life, and I also feel that you're going to have a beautiful romantic time with your love partner, with your spouse. I also feel that this is a time when you are going to realize the need and the importance of your partner in your life. And especially for people who are single, there is a huge possibility that you might meet your soulmate during this particular time in the month of July. Now let us see what tarot card insights do we have for you during the month of July. And we have a card of Queen of Cups, and we have the Four of Cups. I told you already that you need to have a check on your emotions when something go out of limit, out of boundary, that do cause concern. Anything over is always little harmful. And with this you also have a card of Two of Swords. So if you see this particular reading, the tarot card reading, yes, there is a huge possibility that you are thinking primarily from an emotional heart or emotional point of view. However, you will be able to handle things nicely. But then with Four of Cups, there are solutions, there are resolutions coming into your life. But maybe you are not so willing, so enthusiastic to see, witness what the change is coming into your life, what kind of opportunities are coming into your life. So just explore, buy time. If you want to say no to it, don't be instant in saying no, if not yes. Just buy time, explore it, and see what beautiful things are coming into your life. And you also have a card of Two of Swords. So yes, there is a communication concern, Libra. You're getting a very, I will not say impatient, but you are losing your temper in the month of July. And I do see that, the kind of words, tones you are going to use with people around into your personal, professional life, that might cause concern into your relationship. There is also very important decision which you need to take at some point of time. You're ignoring maybe a path you have to choose or a decision you have to make. Sooner or later, this is going to be very, very clear, Libra, that you have to take a call. You have to choose one side of the bridge of an important issue or concern, because you can't be hanging in the bridge in middle. So I do see that the month is going to be little emotional, and it is up to you that how you are maintaining your balance. And with this Two of Sword, you need to mind your communication. However, this month will bring opportunities for you, but those opportunities, you will see that, oh, they are not directly impacting positively your happiness. They are not making you contented, feel happy, feel satisfied. But then you have to look at the bigger picture. something initially which does not seem to be so lucrative or so advanced or so, fulfilling. Later on, when we choose such opportunity which are coming for our divine growth, those opportunities do become big opportunities in time to come. Let us see what advice card do we have for you, for my lovely Libra people in the month of July. And you have a beautiful, strong, major arcana card, Libra. There is a transformation, there is a change of time coming in. Hold in your patience, hold the balance. More than patience, maintain your peace, maintain your calm, keep a check on your tone, and please do not be impulsive or aggressive. And I would like to use a strong statement here. Try to be an emotional person in the month of July, because that's the only challenge I see in this particular month. With this wheel of fortune, there is a very high possibility that things will change very soon for you. The planetary change is bringing money making opportunities, those opportunities which will bring money and which is also going to take you on skies very up in the ladder of your success. So just wait, have patience, have that peace. Things will turn out very nice for you in time to come. Now let us see what message do we have in the month of August. You have, oh my goodness, you again have got Angel of Love, which says yes, any situation needs to be handled with lot of love, lot of compassion, lot of self-care, I should say. This card is also telling me that you need to prioritize what you think is right instead of giving priority to others what they are feeling right about the situation, or they are feeling right about you. Don't flow in the emotions, be practical. Try to practice self love, self care the most in time to come. And the angel message you have, oh my goodness, look at the month of August, the month which is going to be so fulfilling, the month which is going to be so prosperous for you. Things are going to turn into your favor, and that is going to be a lucky month for you. Needless to say, the abundance is going to come in the area of your choice, in the area wherein you want the abundance, the growth, which is not always money. Abundance is happiness in the family. You are on the right path. While you're chasing your dreams, you're getting opportunities of your choice, you're moving in with the right partner, in the right relationship, or you're even buying a property or a home for you. So the meaning of abundance is going to be different for all of you, but the abundance is bound to knock your door for sure. Now let us see what tarot insights do we have for you in the month of August. And we do have a major arcana card, which is the Hanging Man, and we have the High Priestess, another major arcana card, and then you have Page of Wands. So yes, the month is of definitely little adjustment. I will not say a compromise, I will say an adjustment, because your wisdom, your maturity will help you in taking the right call at the right time, and you will be very sensible in believing that even if you are ready for a small adjustment, things will become all right for everybody around you. So you will be taking to you will be taking that initiative to come to a very balanced note or amicable situation into your concerns going on around your personal and professional life. With this High Priestess, there is a possibility that something hidden will come up at the surface level. That could be in your personal life or professional life. That is going to be very important for you. I also see again the emotions are, you will be overwhelmed with the emotions, and I do feel that you need to practice your intuition also. While I'm seeing this card for the first time, the card of intuition or the message of intuition is coming. You need to work with the different phases of moon. But then I do feel with this card for the first time, you need to unleash your hidden potential, Libra. Try to unleash your power of intuition, your power of gut feeling, your power of feeling what is right for you or what is going to be right for you in near future. But then things will come up at the surface level. something which is going to be very important for you to know, which will have a greater impact into your life. You also have a card of Page of Wands. Yes, there is a message, phone call, email, which is going to be related absolutely to your career. And there could be a message for a new project, new job, new assignment during this particular time. Now let us see what advice do we have for you in the month of August. And we do have a card of Chariot. Now if you see Libra back to back, you're getting very positive advice card. Now these advices are divine intervention. They're trying to tell you something, that what you can expect in that particular month. And you have a card of Chariot which says everything which you feel, oh, it is scattered, nothing is in my control, nothing is going in the right way. So all the energies will be collected in one direction with a great force, 100% Libra. And I claim this, you will be moving forward in the right direction with all your energy, with all your motivation, with all your enthusiasm. I claim this because back to back, your divine, your surrender, your trust, your belief in your God, your belief in your angel is supporting you each and every month. Now let us see what messages do we have into your month of September. You now have a heart chakra. Maybe the blockages are because of you feeling getting hurt, emotional bleeding, emotional pain over each and every situation. Libra, you're getting very emotional in the next quarter. You need to work around your heart chakra. You need to work with Archangel Raphael to let go what is bothering you, what is causing concern in your heart, what is causing pain, what is causing hurt. Just let it go. Don't be so demanding from yourself. Don't have expectations, unrealistic expectations from people and from situation, because then you need to work more around your emotions. So have a check. Keep this suggestion, food for thought, into your mind. And the card says, wait and watch. Things will turn into your favor. So I do feel the rest of the year is going to be a transformational year, which is going to convert a lot of things into your favor for sure. Now let us see what advice card do we have for you in this particular month. You do have 9 of Swords and you have 5 of Pentacles, and then you have the Death card. Now yes, there is a major ending coming up in the month of August. That could be an end to a chronic situation, a situation which is causing turmoil into your life, or a situation which is causing major disturbance. Now with this 5 of Pentacles and with this 9 of Swords, this month is going to be little disturbing for you, because you will have anxiety, stress, maybe in your personal life. And also I see that you might encounter some temporary financial loss, or loss of relationship, or loss of association. But this situation is going to end for sure in the same month itself. With this 9 of Swords, with this 5 of Pentacles, and with this Death card, yes, you will end up with a lot of pain. There could be a major ending coming to a relationship. Now this is going to be a marriage for a lot of you. This is going to be a long-term business association. This is going to be an end of a very long-term tenure job at one particular place. Please know that maybe you are not being resonated, or you are not anywhere around your expectations, and that is causing heart pain, that is causing concern. But if you remember the month of July, sooner or later, 2 of Swords is going to ensure that whether you take a decision in the month of June, July, August, or even in the month of September, anytime you will be encouraged, motivated, or maybe forced by the situation to take a call to end that association, the association which is giving you lot of discomfort, disease, restless nights. And then you need to take a call for your long term peace, because peace, if you're not at peace, that is going to impact you and everybody around you. Now let us see what advice message do we have for you in the month of August, because the month of August seems to be little difficult. You have a major arcana card again, and this is so surprising, Libra, that in all the next 3 months, you have got major arcana energies. That means something or the other, you will be going through major life lessons. The card of devil shares that you need to prioritize your things into life. You need to come out of a habit which is an addiction for you, or which is taking away your energy, which is pulling you away from your priorities, from your goals, from your target in life. And you need to be very careful about it. And when you have a card of devil, it also says that your own dark light energies, or maybe energies from outside, are impacting you during this time. So work with your God, work with your angels, do your meditations, do your healing, regular healing, because that is going to help you a lot during this period. Now if you see, expect all the next 3 months, July, August, and September, to give you a lot of major life lessons and major life changing moments and episodes. Dear Libra, do let me know how you resonated with your reading today. I will see you next time very soon. Be blessed.